We are the Lockmore family, so much love it's clear to see. We are the Lockmore family, so come with us, what will we see? The Lockmore family.
So I'm super excited because this just came. We got this off of Amazon and we're gonna make some baby puree. Yeah. It is the ALLKEYS multifunctional hand blender. So it comes with a whisk, it comes with, for making drinks right over there, a frother, and of course the hand blender and a little case. So I am super pumped. This is going to be a lot easier than using a food processor or using our actual blender. It's supposed to have low noise. It's supposed to be really easy to clean. And the best part is if Parker gets a little fussy, I can carry him while I'm using it. So we're going to make some carrot puree to see how he does. I am so excited. And it comes with a $5 coupon. Not too shabby. And look, they even congratulated me. What a nice company. Ooh, I could possibly get a free meat chopper. Ew. So these are all the pieces, nice and simple, with instructions on how to use it. My kind of product, if it has 1 page of instructions, that's all I need. Nice and simple. So this, real simple. You just put it in, twist, and it's ready to use. Carrots are done boiling. Time to strain the carrots. That's a lot of smoke. You probably can't see it, but I love that this has measuring lines on it. Fun. Place in some water. Dump in some carrots. Woo. All right, let's see how it goes. Power button turns it on. So it actually looks ready, but I'm gonna use the whisk just to try the whisk. So let's see what happens. That was so trippy because the cup was like totally spinning as it was whisking. Super easy to use and super clean. Awesome. What do you think? Time for food. I made baby food. Yeah. Yummy, yummy, yummy. You feel me?
The Lockmore family.